Good morning, students of class 6. Today we will take the chapter of The Wonder Called Sleep. This is the chapter from A Pact with Sun. Now, as from the title, it is very clear that this chapter is about sleep and how the sleep is a wonder. It has been described in this lesson. First of all, I am telling you the summary of this story. That is very interesting story. In this story, the wonder of sleep has been described. Sleep is a state of unconscious rest. Our day's activities cause tiredness. A good sleep provides rest to our body and mind. When we sleep, our body recovers from exertion. This is the most obvious advantage of sleep. Many things happen to us during sleep. We forget most of those happenings when we wake up. Sometimes we remember a dream. Our muscles relax more and more when we enjoy a sound sleep. Our heartbeat becomes slower. Our blood pressure and temperature go down then. The brain also slows down. We cannot think or act consciously. These things become normal when we wake up. Sometimes we dream during sleep. We forgot most of our dreams by the time we wake up. Students, you can also see the dream. Have you remembered all? Or sometimes you forget? Yes, sometimes we cannot remember them. Dream is an important activity of the mind. It enables us to sleep even though through noisy disturbances. Our dreams mostly reveal our problems. They can also provide a solution of the related problems. But we must remember one thing: dreams can never tell the future. Sleep has wonderful powers. It transports us into a strange land. We forget even our near and dear ones then. Sleep is the sweetest and most common experience, so it is rightly called a wonder. Now, I am telling you some difficult meaning. Which words are used in this story? Fatigue, tiredness, unconscious, unaware, active, agile, several, various, slower, more relaxed, probable, possible, reveal, to lay open to view, solution, remedy, wonder, surprises, amazement, falling asleep, sleeping, unfathomable, very deep, straight, having no bend, winding, curving, dearest, most affectionate, leave alone, go without company. So, students,